what's been going on in Vegas for the past 2 or 3 days. There is no sidewalk at all, and look at this car right here. Halfway. There's not one, but also two. Damn. Look at that. Sheesh. This car busted a U-turn, said, yeah, right. Oh, it's a Tesla, no wonder. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Johnny Cash. I am back with another video. You guys make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and hit that bell ring notification so when I upload a video you guys get that notification right away. So today we're going to be working on the shop truck Big Bertha, also known as Blue's Clues. So a company called Auxito went ahead and shipped me a third brake light for $99, a 06-07 Classic. It's going to be the installation video and unboxing video. Perfect, because it's been raining heavy out here in Vegas like crazy. Vegas is flooding. People are going kayaking down the street. Cars are getting flooded. Homelesses are dying on the tunnels here. It's crazy, you guys. But anyways, this third brake light, you guys, it's waterproof, it's brighter, it's LEDs all the way around, so it won't, you know, kill your battery as much. It doesn't get hot as much, and it's perfect because the OEM one that I have on right now, the seal gave out. So since it's raining, all the water is going inside of the cab. It's getting humid in there. It's starting to smell a little bit funky. It's starting to smell like caldo a la verga. Package secured. Hell yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick and go ahead and install it. Whip out my handy dandy blade. Go ahead and cut this open. There you go. Check it out. Oh, it's nicely wrapped. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Awesome. It comes with the seal. Hell yeah. This is what I need right here. Take this off. This is what we need, you guys. Perfect. Set this to the side. And let's go ahead and take this out. Sheesh. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, that's nice. Black. There's a smoke out. And yes, it is smoke out. Wow, that's actually very nice. Look at that. The play button, I forgot to put it on. Well, I didn't forget. Well, actually I did. You know, I made all these decals myself except that one. TCR Arturo, shout out to him. Gave me that when we did the transmission on Big Blue. But look at this, you guys. Look at this product. That's nice. The gasket goes around here. So when weather conditions like this, when it starts raining out of nowhere and flooding like it was down the street, water doesn't leak through and stains your headliner, gives you that nasty humidity inside, that nasty odor. I hate it. So let's go ahead and take the original one off. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let's see if that focus. There you go. You need a Phillips. PH2 is the size. Let's go on top and take that one off and install this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the before and after on how it looks like when it's pitch black. So all you really need is your Phillips. You got two Phillips right here, one on the right and one on the left. There you go. Don't drop these screws and don't lose them. 1, 2. Take these off. Look at that. Nope. The seal's all old, all crusty. Take this off real quick. go. So you just need your Phillips, unscrew that. Once you get into the harness, there's a little clip right there. You just pry that up with your hand or with a flathead and disconnect it. And this is the seal that gave out right here. That's why it's been leaking. Literally the headliner is this. This is the headliner. We'll go ahead and wipe this off, and then we're going to be installing the new third brake light that Auxito sent us. But look at this. Look at the difference. Before, yeah, Vegas Sun ate all the nasty clear. Look at this nice finish after. So we got our magic rag right here, microfiber for the wind. Go ahead and clean this nasty dirt grime off all around, on corners, on the edges. Get as much as you, all that grime and dirt off. Get all of it off so the seal, the gasket seals properly, and to avoid more leakage inside the cabin. So now we got to do is just get our harness connected in, but before we do that, we got to install the gasket. If not, it's going to continue leaking. So we'll go ahead and get our gasket, peel this seal off. Oh, that's real good. It's sticky. That's a good thing. It means it's going to stick to the third brake light and seal good. Just like if you're putting you're doing decals. Take this off. Take your time, viejones. Make sure you're sealing this thing very, very good. There you go. Check it out. So now all we gotta do is grab your harness, connect it to the new third brake light, make sure it clips in just like that. This is for the flash. Since it's LED, you don't want it to be, what's it called, hyper flashing. Get your Phillips, make sure you put them in, twist them by your hand first so you don't cross thread it while putting them in. Bam, and just like that. Took less than 5 minutes to install. Look at that, before and after, you guys. Pretty nice. Shout out to Auxito for sending us out the third brake light for Big Blue, Blue's Clues. Now let's go ahead and see how it looks like. Let's go and test out the camper light and the brake light. So you guys, I'm going to wrap up this video right here. If you guys like the third brake light that Auxito sent me, feel free to check out their website. I left the link in the description down below. They offer a variety of LEDs and light assemblies for all types of year, makes, and models. And if you guys want to purchase anything from Auxito, make sure to use my coupon code JohnnyLSX at checkout to save 15% off any product, you guys. Anyways, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.